For a lot of people who have been experiencing tightness in the low back, compression in the low back, or even tension on the sides of their body, you can utilize the cat-cow with a slight variation to really help you create more space in your body. My name is Dr. Jordan Fairley, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can use the cat-cow with the tail wag to help you increase the mobility of your spine. So a lot of you are familiar with the cat-cow. So this is in this quadruped position where your hands are underneath your shoulder, your knees are at 90 degrees underneath your hips. We talk about creating stability of the low back by squeezing the knees together, breathing space into the front and back side of your body, holding that space as you exhale. But if you really want to get a small stretch on the low back muscles, as well as the QL and obliques, then you can create more of a cross body pattern with the tail wag. So in this position, going into cat-cow, a flexion and extension, you can maximize this even more by going deep into that stretch, pulling your hands and knees towards your belly button, and then wiggling your hips side to side. What you'll notice as you do this is if I go to the right, I feel a tensioning on the left. Likewise, if I go to the left, I'll feel a tensioning on the right side. If you go up into flexion, it's gonna create more space, especially in the low back vertebra, which then if you do the tail wag, you'll really notice how there is an opening of the low back vertebra going side to side. You can maximize this again with your breath, so taking a big breath in, holding that space, and then shifting your hips from one side to the other side. If you want to get more of the obliques going down to the side, you can walk your hands to that opposite direction. Take a huge breath in again. As you exhale, push your hands and knees away from each other, and you'll feel the engagement all along that opposite side. If I were to go the opposite way, so you can see this, big breath in, walking my hands to the left, wiggling my hips to the left as well will create space on the whole right side of the body. As I exhale, pushing my hands and knees away from my belly button, and that'll really engage that stretch even more. So that is a simple variation of how you can create a tensioning on the sides of your body to really create more space for the low back, as well as to really help you get out of this chronic compressed position. My name is Dr. Jordan Fairley here at the Source Chiropractic. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We are here together to help you empower your health.